This is Master and Teach Virgo with a re-upload. The Truth About Spirits, Part 1. This is going to be a 3-part discussion. So let me get into this. So spirits are either bad energy or good energy. So I don't deal with spirits because most spirits that come your way will be low vibrational energy, aka bad energy. Okay, so the higher energy beings come or are able to connect with you when you are at a more perfect state of mind and flesh. Also, the higher energy beings are more critical of you, meaning what you would call angels are expecting a lot more from you than you think. They really have no sympathy for humans who fall short of the highest source expectations. Truthfully, they would kill us if they were given the green light from the source. Which is another reason why I know most people are connecting with bad energy and just don't know, aka demons or fallen angels, which I'm not sure if fallen angels are called demons or just angels of darkness. The only reason I say that is because of my knowledge of Lilith, who was supposed to be Adam's first wife according to some discredited books of the Bible, where it said that Lilith became the mother of demons, aka bad energy. So, this is Master and Teach Virgo with part 1 about the truth of spirits. Re-uploaded. Had to fix the sound for y'all. But checking in and checking out.